I not like any of them? Like, where are the ladies who lunch? Where are the ladies who lunch? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha, and here on this channel we talk about all my favorite things, be that made fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and motherhood. So if that's something you'd be interested in, please consider subscribing. We have a very special video today and I'm so excited. If you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be trying on my new shades that I just purchased from 12 PM Studios. So if that's something you'd be interested in, stay tuned. I feel like I got a PR package. Look how cute. She looks so pretty. She looks so pretty, y'all. Look how pretty she looks. 12 PM Studios. At 12 PM Studios, we believe luxury is meant to be lived in. It should feel effortless, empowering, and entirely your own. That's why every piece we create is guided by purpose, crafted with care, and made to move with you through your brightest hours. Come on! May this become your signature, subtle yet striking, bold yet refined, because when you feel aligned, everything else falls into place. Come on, Jenee. Now, I'm really sad that I didn't get the London, which I think I might treat myself come fall, because to me, this is a fall, winter, indoor, outdoor shade to me. And I don't have a lot of silver, so let's get into what I got. I feel like a little PR girly. Yeah, I bought 3 shades and the case, yes, because we ride at Dawn for our girl Jenee. Look at this box. Oh, this is so luscious. Now I've seen so many people open these, and I've been keeping track of her journey, so I already knew the quality, already knew what I was getting into. I've been following her journey. She did a lot of revealing of the actual like process. So baby, this is so good. This is so luxurious. Oh my God. Are they upside down? They are. Hold on, let me shift them. Mother's a little OCD. So let's get them all aligned. This is so pretty. Like, look at the inside. All right, let's try on the first pair. Let's see which ones I pick up first. I'm going from bottom to top because we started from the bottom. Now we here. Yes. Oh my God. I've been watching everybody else open this, and I'm like, I'm so happy. Oh, they come in a little bag with a case, with a little and the first one I opened, of course, is Milan. It's perfect. I'm wearing the perfect dress for Milan today. Oh, okay, let me hurry up. So pretty. Look at the details. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, do you see the 12 PM Studios? Like, she really thought of everything. Let's see. Girl, where are the ladies who lunch? Where are the ladies who lunch? Oh, the money changed me. The money changed me. The money changed me. Oh, this is for the girls. Oh my God, this is stunning. Yeah, this is for the girls who lunch, baby. My skin is glowing too. Oh, I wanted to try these on last. But we'll be wearing these today. Okay, I am obsessed. Like, look at the details are so good. Jenee, you killed that. Look at the name The name of each glass is inscribed in there, then the 12 p.m. Studios. This is so well done. And these are like heavy. These feel like my Celine's, but done so much better. I never realized how small the Celine's were on my face until Jenee mentioned it. And I was like, wow, yeah, they are very small. And I love an oval. Oh! What? Oh my God, Jenee, you killed that. You killed that. I have to move on, but I don't want to take those off. Whew. My plan was to pick a favorite. I don't know if I can, possibly. I don't know if I can. This is the case in itself. The case, and wait till she put the mirror in the case. Ah! Oh, it's so good. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so giddy. I'm so excited. Oh, Jenee, why you eat them up like this? Even the packaging, like just, oh, it's labeled in the back. Oh, it's labeled in the back. It's labeled in the back. There's organization. We knew that it would be organized. So this is the London Brown. The London Brown is something different for me. Not something I normally gravitate towards. I don't really wear a lot of like thin framed glasses, and I also don't have a pair of like silver frame with brown. These are the London Brown. To me, these are very, this is a certain type of glass. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. We're gonna try it on, we're gonna see, and you guys are gonna let me know, because this is very different for me. This isn't something I would normally buy. So let me just see. I know it doesn't really look good with the vibe I have on, but how can I not like any of them? Like, this looks so good, and it's not silver like I thought it would be. It's not silver. Okay, I had it too bright for you guys. So now, is that better? Yeah, that's much better. I feel like it was too bright. These are so good, and I don't know why. I thought they were like silver, but it's like a mix. It's like a mix of silver. I don't know, I'm still on the fence about these. To me, these are good, just like good glasses. Like, they're just something that I never thought that I would like. It's giving cop to me. I don't know, the Milan, maybe because of what I'm wearing, the Milan just was like so exciting. But I'm not sure about these. Like, I would want these to be a lighter tint for me personally. Like, I feel like maybe I should have got the London Blues for my personal style instead of these. But I do like these. Like, I would wear these. I wonder if my husband would like them, because they do look really good on job. Ooh, these are good though. They're so good. They're so good. And even though they're thinner, they just feel, oh, they are silver. Okay, they are silver. They are a silver lens. They are silver, and they have the 12 p.m. Does it say London on it like the others? Yes, yes it does. That's so unique. That is so cool and unique. It says London on the side. They're all so good. They're all so good. We are so proud of you, girl. We are really, really proud. I don't want to throw away my boxes. I want to keep them all. So I don't know about London Brown. London Brown, I don't know if that's really my style. Milan is where it's at for me, personally. Let's try the last one on, shall we? This one is the NYC Black. Now, the NYC Black is like my style, my casual, everyday kind of style. Like, this was something I would be wearing like to the airport, to the farmer's market. I don't go to the airport every day. I don't know what I'm talking about. To Target. This is like my everyday style. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jenee, these are so good. Oh my God, Jenee. These are really, really good. Like, I'm really, wow. This is insane. The white part is like etched in, so you can like feel the groove of the trim. First of all, black and white is my favorite color combo. So I already know I'm gonna fall in love with these. I already know. A moment of silence for the... Girl, what? Girl, what? Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Wow, this is insanely good. Between these and the Milan, I have to say they're my two favorite. London Brown is not really my style, but it's still a good glass. But wow. Oh my God. I'd wear this to ladies who lunch too. Yeah. Oh my God, so good. So good, so good, so good. Jenee, we are so proud of you. We are so proud of you. You killed this. Y'all killed this. Y'all killed this. I really enjoyed the London Brown. It's very cute, but I don't know, it's not as exciting for me as the others. It probably fits the vibe for something in particular. I think my like outfit maybe have clouded my judgment of it, but maybe I need to do like a whole thing. This is so nice. This is like so nice and so luxe. Just like to be able to have like a cool case that you can like pull out. So cute. It's safe to say that these might just be my favorite. I feel like these are the most timeless. And the NYC, oh, I don't know. Between these and NYC, she ate that. She ate that. What? Somebody invite me to lunch. Somebody invite me to brunch. This is a girl. This is a we need some wine and chat glass, okay? Oh, these are so good, Jenee. I'm just wear these for the rest of the video. If they're that good, I will link her site below if you would like to purchase any of these glasses. By far, these and the NYC are probably my favorite. I knew I would love these. I don't have a pair of black oval sunglasses, and these are everything to me. They are just so freaking good. I could wear these in any timeline. Oh, I could wear these to space, baby. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts of the London Brown. Obviously, I didn't have the proper outfit to show the London Brown. I think I'm gonna try to style it up a little bit and decide whether I'm gonna keep it. But child, these were so good. This was so beautiful. Well done, Jenee. We're so proud of you. That's our girl. We ride at dawn. We support the girls. And this was just such a beautiful launch, beautiful packaging. I love a good business. I love a good business. I love a good black owned business. And this was just so successful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, share with a friend who is looking to purchase or has these glasses. I would love to style them up as well, so that will be coming also. Comment below if you picked up any shades from the 12 p.m. studios. If so, let me know which ones. Comment below what you think about the London Browns, if I should keep them, should I send them back. I don't even know the return policy. I'm probably just gonna keep them to say I got them, okay? But yeah, yes girl, yes. Ooh, I've been watching It's Kiki Palmer, so yes. Yes, 12 p.m. I do not play about my girl.